What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 10. Today is I Love You So Much. We have this foot snowman that me and Castiel,
hey,
we created this cute little snowman for you guys. So without further ado, smash this video with a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Lena.
Castiel.
Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications. That way you get notified every single time
We upload a new video.
Welcome to the life as Lena Mac. Babe. Make the hat, guys. I'm going to be using some scraps of paper here, and then some ribbon, and then of course some glue. So to begin, I'm going to just cut a square off this long sheet here, and this is going to be the top of the hat, and then I am going to leave it just a little bit longer, and you'll see why in just a second. And then for this one, I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm actually going to cut a little bit from both sides. So I'm going to hold these together and see if that looks like a little top hat. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these guys down. Then I'm going to take a little piece of a ribbon and cover the hat where they meet. Alright guys, after you're done, this is what your hat should look like. I prefer doing it on my own before the kid doing it because it's kind of messy, but it's your choice if you want the kid to do it. We're going to set this aside and let it dry, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So for the scarf, we're going to be using the same ribbon that we used on the hat. We're going to go ahead and cut a decent piece out. We're going to go ahead and fold it into two, just like that. For this next part, it gets kind of tricky. You can go line, line, line if you want to make it like ruffly, or you can do triangles. It's your choice, your preference on what you're going to want to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a line, line, line. And then after you cut piece by piece, you're going to want to go ahead and after you fold it in half, you're going to take that half and pinch it, so that way each glitter side is showing. I would recommend putting a little bit of glue there, that way it can help it stay shut. And then we're going to go ahead and place this to the side as well. For the nose, I'm actually going to take an orange scrap paper and then just cut a carrot shape. Vibe with me, guys, because this is how we're going to cut it. Alright guys, here's what your guys' nose is gonna look like. Here's two options for you. We're gonna set these aside and move on to the arms. For the arms, I'm gonna be using a pipe cleaner. I would recommend using brown, however I don't have any, so I'm gonna be using black. So for the arms, I'm gonna go ahead and bend them in the center. That way I can have two. Then what you're gonna wanna do is create a hook and bend it together. Then you're going to want to create another hook. But this one, you're going to hold and bend down like that. And then for the third hook, you're going to wrap it down. When you wrap it down, you're going to create that third finger. Then you're going to give it all a twist to seal. And there is your hand. Alright guys, so here are the hands. Let's go ahead and move on to our main guy, the snowman. Alright guys, so for this part, you're going to be needing blue construction paper, white paint, a paper plate, something to paint on the foot, and then I would recommend putting something down on the floor. That way your child can step safely, and then you don't have to worry about getting paint all over your floor. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we did 3 options here. I'm going to go ahead and choose the best out of the 3, and then we'll be back once they dry. Alright guys, so what I did here is I went ahead and went over with a thin paintbrush and just kind of deepened it a little bit more. I felt like it wasn't coming through as I desired it to be. I went ahead and added a little bit more, that way it was more noticeable. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and let this dry. And again, like I showed you, we went ahead and made our materials beforehand. I'm going to go ahead and do some little snowflakes on the side. That way I can sprinkle some glitter on top of them. To make the snowflakes, I'm also going to be using the white paint. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start gluing the pieces. All I did was take some glue and put it on a paper plate, and then I'm using a different paintbrush and applying the glue, and then I'm going to let Castiel put them on. So we're going to turn it over, buddy, and you're going to put it right at the top. Alright guys, here is the finished product. I would recommend you helping your child for sure. We are going to set it aside and let it dry, and then I will be back to show you what to write on the end. guys, here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are having a blessed day and staying positive. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below some snowman emojis if you guys are obsessed with how cute this came out. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at LenaMac if you guys create this project at home with your kiddos. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I did find this on Pinterest, so it isn't my idea. I'm not going to take credit for it. However, I do not remember the lady's name, so if I do find the video, I will tag it in the description below. But with that being said, guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude today's video. As always, guys, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!